building it. I should look on the inside and see.
Want me to open this front up a little bit? Just to...
I need it. I want this to be low so I can have more on this.
Oh, no, but you get 4, remember?
Yeah.
So you want 2 on one of the sticks?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Actually, I don't.
Okay. You want 1 on each stick?
Huh?
Is that what you want? Okay.
Yep.
Let's put one here in the middle. Do you like my sound effects?
Yep.
What did you learn yesterday from Uncle Ifrin about roasting marshmallows?
This and the toast.
And you toast? Does Mom want a marshmallow?
I'll show you.
Okay.
Ready? Yeah, I'll show you, and you hold it, okay?
Don't do it.
I'm not going to put it all the way until it touches my finger.
No, I wanted to do
Okay, so
it.
you put it right here, about here. You put it right about there. The top towards the top. Okay. There you go. You can put it a little bit more towards the fire.
Just a little bit.
Just
I
a
did
little
it.
bit. Okay.
Maybe it's... Everyone's getting good.
You're getting good. Oh, yeah. Okay, put in a little more.
Does someone want one of my marshmallows? Look at how good mine's getting.
Oh, wow, they're getting good.
This is the first one I eat.
Okay.
Okay.
Actually, it's not. I'm ready for
Put it in a
the
little bit more. Put it in a little
Who
more.
wants some sweet sticks? Who wants sweet sticks? Who wants some sweet sticks?
I do.
Then I'll give you some marshmallows.
Oh. Hey, Isaiah, come here. This is the perfect place. Come right here. Come right here next to me. Stand right here. Okay.
And it's the perfect place.
Okay. Take a step forward.
This one. But I don't
There
want
you
it
go.
on fire.
No,
I
you don't want it
know.
on fire. You gotta keep it
But
at
you
top.
know, that's why you do this. You move it back and forth. Okay? Can you do that?
I just want to do it.
You have to get it closer.
We need to toast it on here.
It's never going to toast.
I'll
on
make
there.
this one for you, Judy.
Oops, back to the toast
No.
it on. Look. Look how much marshmallow I have to eat on my hands.
You ready for the next one?
Uh-huh.
Here it comes.
You think I can toss this avocado?
Yeah.
I think so, yeah. Here you go.
I want myself clean.
In between marshmallows, you want to get clean?
I want all the marshmallow.
How about the end we clean you up?
Uh,
You're going to get messy.
I only have one more marshmallow left.
That's right. Or are these the best?
These are the best from Uncle Ifrin. These are the best from Uncle Ifrin.
Well, tell the audience why those are so good.
Because my mom toasted them real good. Them were so good that you won't believe how good they were. They were so good.
Finger looking good. This is an attempt that has never been done before.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
I stay stable. Are you going the other way this time? Oh, no. Oh, no. And you did it.
No,
Oh!
Oh, we gotta do it
Let's
again.
try it again.
Let's do it again.
no. Okay.
Okay, ready?
Are the audience ready?
Okay, the audience is ready.
Audience is ready? Okay. Are you coming around the back again? Whoa! Whoa!
And I'll get down now.
Yay!
Hey, can I throw this?
I
Uh-oh, now what? Now what? Whoa!
Oh.
Doing that again.
Whoa!
Sorry for doing it again.
My partner, that was a little too strong.
Sorry for doing it on the other side.
That's okay. Okay, should we try again?
Yep.
Whoa, you're coming down here so fast. Whoa.
Yeah, do.
Okay, hold on.
I'm trying to make you fall.
No, you're my partner.
I did it.
Oh, I changed the secret password. That's the old password. No.
Nothing.
No.
I love you like crazy. Was that it?
That was a good one. Okay. I don't think I can have.
Is it helping?
Yeah. That's a funny way to help.
Why?
I don't.
Is it a banana slug?
It's the same one.
Did you find him?
Yeah.
Where? Oh, he's over
It's
there.
crawling right here. Oh, where'd you go?